Ripe mangoes and smoky chilies add just the right sweet and spicy touch to this tasty barbecue sandwich. I'm using mangoes that are ripe and soft to the touch. Let's get started by preparing the mango barbecue sauce. Heat a saucepan over medium heat. Add the oil and onions and cook over medium heat until the onions are slightly caramelized and soft. Add the garlic and ginger and cook until aromatic. Add the mango, ketchup, brown sugar, agave, apple cider vinegar, molasses, and chipotle. Bring to a simmer and cook over low heat until the mangoes are soft and tender. This should take about 30 minutes. Puree the sauce with a hand mixer and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and vinegar if needed. Now we'll make the mango cabbage slaw. Combine the cabbage, carrots, mango, green onions, red onions, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. For the slaw dressing, combine the oil, cider vinegar, agave, and cayenne and season with salt and pepper. Gently toss the dressing with the cabbage and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. For this recipe, I'm using a roasted chicken that I'm hand pulling into pieces. You could also use jackfruit for a vegetarian version. Combine the chicken and a couple spoonfuls of mango barbecue sauce in a sauté pan. Warm over medium heat and just prior to serving, gently stir in the diced mangoes. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Now all you need to do is place the barbecue chicken on a toasted bun and top it with a mango cabbage slaw. Sweet, tangy, and spicy, this mango barbecue chicken sandwich with mango cabbage slaw is guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser.